Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make sweet chili sauce. Perfect siya pang sausawan ng kahit ano, prito or pwede rin siyang sausawan ng ating egg crispy chips. Tara na guys sa aking kitchen! Balatan lang po natin yung ating garlic. I'm gonna use a blender. Pero kung wala po tayong blender na available, pwede po natin siyang i-chop ng maliliit para makagawa po tayo ng sweet chili sauce kahit wala po tayong blender. The blender, we put our garlic, our chili, our onion, our bell pepper. Again, kung wala po tayong blender, chop lang po natin siya ng maliliit. Lagyan po natin ng 1/4 cup of water. Our saucepan, put our chili mixture, put 1 cup of sugar, half cup lang po yung ginamit ko kaya dalawa po yung nilagay ko, 3/4 cup of water, tablespoon of vinegar, mix it until well combined. Turn on the fire. Simmer until our sauce thicken. Our cornstarch mixture. Put 1 tablespoon of starch. 3 tablespoons of water. Mix lang po natin siya. Pag kumulo na po yung ating chili mixture, lalagay na po natin siya para po mag-thicken yung ating sauce. Ito po ay Thai sweet chili sauce. When our sauce is simmer, put our cornstarch mixture gradually. Mix it until our sauce is thickened. I simmer this for at least 5 minutes or until our sauce is not really thickened. Now this is a good texture of our sauce. After simmering for 5 minutes, turn off the heat. And put it into a jar or anything that you have in your house. Here is our finished product. Charan! Our Thai sweet chili sauce. ang ating Thai sweet chili sauce. Maanghang po siya. Kung gusto niyo po ng hindi ganong maanghang, magbawas po tayo ng hot chili. Mga dalawa lang po yung ilagay natin or 1 kung may bata tayo. At kung gusto niyo rin pong hindi masyadong matamis, dagdag lang po tayo ng vinegar or magbawas po tayo ng sugar. So guys, ito po yung ating Thai sweet chili sauce. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just thumbs up. If you want, just share. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye! See you on my next video. Bye!